Good morning, sunshine. Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video, it's all about laundry in master bedroom. I've been neglecting this room for as long as I can, and today is the day that I am going to be focusing. Since all these holidays have been on my way, I've been focusing on downstairs decorating, and for the longest I've just ignored this clothes. I will have to say that laundry, it is one of my favorite things to do, but as you guys can see, I have a lot of laundry to put away. And the way that I do it in here, I'll usually just separate all the clothes from sections. Like I'll separate mine and then Edgar's clothes into one section, his work, and then all the kids in a different section. Once I have them all separated, then I'll just go and put them in their proper place in their rooms. And then once they're home from school, they put them away. I don't have any dressers to put all my clothes, and all I have is a dresser that we put all the socks and the underwear, but usually all the clothes, it's all hang. So it is easier for me to just separate all the clothes, put it in one sections, and then I'll just get the hangers and start putting them in hangers. So if you need some motivation today, stay tuned with me. Get your gloves, your broom, or whatever you are doing right now, and let's get to cleaning. I know that it's probably easier for me to put all the kids' clothes away as well, because trust me, once I give that clothes to them and put them in bed, sometimes they'll forget it as well and they'll just toss it in the floor, and I end up always with extra clothes because I don't know which one is clean and which one it's dirty. But I don't like to take that responsibility away from them since they are a little bit older. I have 4 boys, which they are in 10 all the way to almost 16, so they are old enough to put their clothes away, and it's just easier for them as well if I just separate in my bed and then I'll just give it to them, because even if they try to help me out and come and get their clothes from my bed, they just make a mess. They drop clothes on the floor and then I end up thinking that it is dirty. Now, we are a really bad family when it comes to putting all the dirty clothes in our bins. And trust me, we do have bins in every room and we are trying really hard, but for some reason this system, it's just not working, and I just need to find another system that it actually works, because this is just not working. We toss everything in the floor and I end up with a lot of clothes everywhere. But I do like to use this bin that has tires, and it's actually really fun that I just go around every room and then I just pick up the clothes. Another thing that I do sometimes struggle is having kitchen in my room. I always end up with a lot of coffee mugs or any type of water cup, and I'm just picking up every little piece of trash in here. And as you guys can see, I am getting ready for Halloween. I have some Halloween decorations up here because I just went to the Dollar Tree and bought a few decorations. Stay tuned for that video because that will be next. Super excited for that. But anyways, I am going to continue cleaning out my makeup vanity. This area, I will have to say I don't use it, but for some reason it always gets cluttered. I always do my makeup in the bathroom, which I do have more lighting, and even though this vanity it's near the windows, I don't have a bigger mirror. In that little mirror that I have in there, well, I have 2 mirrors as you guys can see in here, but they just don't work for me. I like to do my makeup in the bathroom, so I always end up with a lot of mess in here and in the bathroom because I just toss everything in here and ignore it, which I know I do have to clean that drawer, but right now I'm just going to ignore it and leave it for another cleaning day. Is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We To clean out the nightstands, I will be using the Method product, the bamboo scent. I love that scent. It's one of the ones that I like, and I've been doing really bad because I've been buying new products just to test them out, and I guess it's not that bad because you end up with a lot of products, but then I end up with a little bit of everything, and then by the time I need new products, they're all about the same. And I did spray a lot of this into the mirror that I thought I wasn't going to be able to clean it out, and this is my first time, well, not my first time, but I usually use just paper towels to clean the mirrors, and I've been doing it with the fiber cloth, and it did clean. But now I know that I just have to spray probably 2 sprays, and that's it. Not a lot like I did. And all I have to do is just vacuum. I love to vacuum. I feel that every time I see the lines in the carpet, it means that it's clean. I hate carpet. I'm not gonna lie, I hate carpet, but this is what we have right now, and I have to deal with it. So that's another video that I want to share with you guys because I need to deep clean this carpet. There is a lot of stains everywhere, and I need to get that done. I want to thank each and every one of you that is supporting me. Thank you so much for being in this YouTube journey. And this is the final product. Super happy every time I see a room clean. I know I did neglect it, but it was well worth it, the cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe, become part of this family. Also hit that bell to get notified for my next video. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you.